that you hate it when I go to parties. I guess you're still waiting for me to say sorry. But I won't, cause it says a lot about you and not about me. And there is no use in pretending we're healthy. I'll do anything for you. Take a step back from a point of view and
Sama kami more than 17 years na. Nagkakilala kami high school, 4th year, mag-classmate.
High school friends kami. Nilagawan niya ako.
Si Chris, napaka-pasensyos niya kasi magagalitin ako eh. Tapos marami siyang way para patawanin ako. Siya yung laging, kumbaga, komedyante sa bahay.
At di ba yung nag-aaway, huwag lang maghiwalay.
Kumaki mo naman doon. Ay, gano'n. Ay, parinig.
Ano yan, bomba?
Let's start the new chapter of our lives with a bang.
tell you I'm busy. And you know I love a lot about you, but you don't know me. So don't go comparing me to girls before me.
Chris, salamat. Sana pinera mo na lang.
Do anything for us, run a red light just to make this up. And oh, you don't feel the same, cause if you did, you would say that you love me back. You would hold me with both your hands and promise that this would last. If perfect was real, if perfect was real, you would follow me anywhere, and I'll be your atmosphere. And you let me in, I swear. If perfect was real, if perfect was real.
To Elisa, it took us more than 2 decades of togetherness to get where we stand today. And as we say our vows, ang haba pa po nito. And as we say our vows, I'm blissfully blessed that we made it. It is, however, not the end of our journey, but another breathtaking chapter of our romantic and passionate love story. As I look back to the love we had, I couldn't help but wonder, it is not perfect, nor not even close to say the ideal. But what made it special? What drives us to continue? As I thought while writing this letter, then I remembered, matagal na natin isinama ang Diyos sa pagsasama natin, even before we decided to tie the knot.
I always knew it's always been you. It's always been you.
And for more than 17 years, marami tayong pinagtalunan, marami tayong di napagkasunduan, pero pinili natin to stay together. Maraming salamat sa malawak mong pangunawa sa akin. Salamat kasi lagi ka andyan sa masakit at masayang bahagi ng buhay ko. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos kasi alam kong mahal niya ako. Dahil ikaw yung isa sa pinakamahalagang bagay at regalong ibinigay niya sa akin.
Bring me back to life.
Tumayo kayo at magpakarami.
Alright. Salamat. Alam ko maraming beses mo lang naisip na umalis, but you choose to stay. Alam ko maraming beses ka na din napagod, but you choose to continue and move forward with me.
Masaya ako na ikaw yung binigay sa akin ng Diyos na makasama habang buhay. Mahal na mahal ko kayo ni Chelsea. Kayo lang sapat na. Pangako ko sa iyo kahit na tumanda tayo, kahit na dumating sa point na marami ng masakit sa iyo, aalagaan pa rin kita.
And as the Bible says on Ephesians 5:25, husbands, love your wife just as Christ also loved the church. And that I promise for the rest of my life. Next month, mamatay man, cross my heart. Yeah, hope to die. Pink is where? Eating. Eating! I love you.
Kahit sa pinakamadali at pinakamahirap, Lagi akong hindi mawawala sa tabi mo. Mahal kita hanggang wakas.
You